Hello dear students, welcome to your online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School, which is situated at Golabachar, Gorakhpur. Dear student, in today's video I am going to explain the exercises of chapter number 2. Name of this chapter is The Lost Ship. Dear student, in my previous class I have already explained this story to you, and now today's class I am going to explain the exercises of this chapter. So for that you all take out your new chance English reader book and open chapter number 2, that is The Lost Ship. I am going to explain the exercises. Okay student? Student, you all open page number 13. On page number 13, there is exercise A. Who said this word? Take the correct words. So dear student, before starting the exercises, one more time, I am going to read this story. So you all start the reading of this chapter again. So student, firstly, we are going to read. One more time, I will explain this story to you. So in this story, we have learned that, firstly, tell me what's the title of this chapter. So it is The Lost Ship. In this story, we have to learn about a boy and his ship. So dear student, as we all learn in this story that a little boy had a ship and the ship ran away. The ship went into the forest. He saw some grass. He wanted to eat the grass. The little boy wanted to go home. The sheep would not go home. The boy began to cry. A rabbit came by. In this story, we have learned that a little boy had a sheep and his sheep ran away into the forest, and he would not want to go home, and the little boy wanted to go home. And the sheep would not, so that's why this little boy started crying, and that time a little rabbit came and asking to this little boy that why are you crying. So that time this little boy telling to rabbit that I am crying because my sheep has run away. So that time this little rabbit says to little boy that don't cry little boy, I can make the sheep go home. So he ran after the sheep, but the sheep would not go home. So that time this both started crying. First the little boy, and after that this rabbit started crying. Now the next, what happened next? When rabbit started crying, so that time a little squirrel came and asking to rabbit that why are you crying. So that time this rabbit tell to this squirrel that I am crying because the little boy is crying because his sheep has run away. So this little squirrel says that please don't cry, I can make the sheep go home. And this little squirrel ran after the sheep, and the sheep again would not go to home. So then the squirrel began to cry. When sheep would not agree to go home, so that time this little squirrel started crying, and that time a fox came by, and this fox asked to this both rabbit and squirrel that why are you all crying. So they both saying that we are crying because the little boy's sheep has run away. So this fox again said please don't cry, I can make the sheep go home, and he ran after the sheep, but again the sheep would not go home. Then the fox began to cry. One by one all the animals make the sheep go home, try to make the sheep go home, but the sheep would not go home. So they all are started crying. So that time a bee flew by, and this little bee asking to this all that why are you all crying. So they replied that we are crying because the little boy's sheep has run away. So this little bee told him that please don't cry, I can make the sheep go home. So these all are started laughing that how could a little bee make the sheep go home if we not. They think that we cannot make the sheep go home, so can a little bee make the sheep go home? The fox laughed, the rabbit laughed, the squirrel laughed, the little bee flew into the forest and he started buzz buzz. Buzz buzz is the sound of bee. So that time this ship thought that the bee will sting me, I must run. And the ship ran home. Then the little boy laughed. He said, "Thank you, little bee." So dear student, we have to learn in this story that how could a little things did a great work. Okay. So we never thought that a little thing can't do anything, can't do the big things. Okay student, this is the moral of this story, that we always treat with every people like same. So now come to the exercises. So here is the exercise A. So dear student, what will we do in exercise A? So firstly we have to read this exercise A. So in exercise A there is who said these words, take the correct words. Firstly we have to read and after that we have to take the correct option. So dear student, there is a first word age. I am crying because my ship has run away. So dear student, tell me who is crying in this story? Whose ship has run away into the forest? So we all know that it is the boy. Okay. Dear student, there is a two option. First is option number A, the fox, and another one is the boy. So we all know the option number B is correct. So we have to take the option number B. Okay. This word said by the boy. Now the second, the bee will sting me, I must run. The bee will sting me, I must run. So student, who said this word? The bee will sting me, I must run. So here are again two options. Option number A is the ship and another one is the boy. So which option is correct? So student, there is a option number A is correct. So we have to take the option number A, that is the ship. Okay, like this you have to take option number A. So like this we have to complete it exercise A. Now we moving to the next exercise, that is exercise B. So what will we do in exercise B? So firstly we have to read the given heading. So in exercise B, write one word answer. Student, we have to write one word answer. We should give answer only in one word. Okay. So first question is, what did the little boy have? First question is, what did the little boy have? So dear student, we have already learned in this story. There is in first line, the little boy had a sheep. So we have to write answer, a sheep. Okay. So what did the little boy have? So the answer will be, the little boy have a sheep. So here we have to write only sheep because A is already written here. So we have to write sheep. What is the spelling of sheep? So the spelling of sheep is SHEEP, sheep. So like this we have to complete question number 1. Now moving to the next question, that is, where did the ship run away? Where did the ship run away? So student, tell me, where did the ship run away? We all learn in this story that the ship ran away into the forest. So we have to write spelling of forest on the given blanks. Okay. So what is the spelling of forest? So the spelling of forest is Forest, forest. Okay. So like this we have to complete question number 2. Now moving to the next question, that is question number 3. In question number 3 there is a, what did the sheep want to eat? What did the sheep want to eat? So student, what will we write? So we have to write the answer that the sheep want to eat grass. So we have to give answer only in one word. So we have to write here grass. So student, what is the spelling of grass? So spelling of grass is GRASS, grass. Okay. So like this we have to complete number 1, 2 and 3rd. Now moving to the next, there is a 4th. In number 4 there is, where did the little boy want to go? And she would not. Where did the little boy want to go? So the little boy want to go home. So we have to write answer home. What is the spelling of home? HOME, home. Okay student. Now moving to the next question, it is the last. Who made the sheep go home? Who made the sheep go home? So dear student, tell me, who made the sheep go home? So it is B. So we have to write the B. What the spelling of B? B-double-E, B. So like this we have to complete exercise A and B. Now we moving to the next exercise, that is exercise C, play with words. Play with words. So dear students, some words are given in the box, so we have to choose correct words according to the given picture and we have to write down. So student, in exercise C, label the animals in their picture. Okay, in the picture, label the animals in the picture. So we have to write animals name according to their picture and the meaning of this, spelling of these animals are given in the box. So we have to choose words from box. So firstly we can see, tell me, who is this? Which animal is this? It is a cow. It is a cow. So we have to write here cow. What the spelling of cow? C-O-W, cow. So like this we have to write first animal's name in the box. After that second one each. So second each, cat. So we have to write the spelling of cat. What the spelling of cat? C-A-T, cat. Next is, what is this? So this is peacock and the spelling of peacock is P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Now the next animal is rabbit. What the spelling of rabbit? R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Now the next stage, elephant. What the spelling of elephant? This animal's age elephant. So we have to write the spelling of elephant and the spelling of elephant is E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. Now the last one is, tell me, who is this? So this is monkey. So we have to write spelling of monkey on the given blanks. So the spelling of monkey is M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. So like this we have to complete this given exercises, exercise A, B and C. So dear student, I hope is that clear to you that how could you complete these exercises in your book. And that's it for today. I will explain the next remaining exercises in my next video. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy and keep watching my video. Thank you.